Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I want to share a light on what they call impotence in men, and it's also called frigidity in women. The definition of its types, its causes, also remedies for it. Kí ni wọ́n ń pè ní àìlèṣe déédéé níbi ìbálòpọ̀? Ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sọ́kùnrin, ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sóbìnrin. Tọkùnrin ni wọ́n ń pè ní impotence, tóbìnrin ni wọ́n ń pè ní frigidity. Kí ni wọ́n ń pè bẹ́ẹ̀? Onírànà wo ló pín sí? Kí ló ń fà á? Àti pé kí lọ́nà àbáyọ? Impotence is when a man failed to perform sexual intercourse accordingly, repeatedly. Tí ọkùnrin bá kágara láti lè súnmọ́ obìnrin ní ntí iṣẹ́ kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tẹ̀léra wọn. The first type of it is for a man to have the feelings of having sex but failed through his penis, that is, his body is not moving at all in order to be able to penetrate. Ọkùnrin ó ń fìlì adùn ṣùgbọ́n ara rẹ̀ ò gbé láti lè ṣe nǹkan yẹn. Second one is his body is coming up but he's not having that feelings from his mind or having the enjoyment in it. Ara ọkùnrin dìde ṣùgbọ́n adùn tí ẹ̀ máa ń fìlì inú ara yẹn kò rí. The third one is absence of the two. He's not having the feelings, the body is not coming up. Méjèèjì ni ò tiẹ̀ sí rárá. Ara ò dìde, èèyàn ò tiẹ̀ tún ní feeling kankan fún nǹkan yẹn, kò wá sí èèyàn lẹ́mìí gan, èèyàn ò ríro. How does it happen? For a man to be having relaxation of penis when about to have sex, ìgbà téèyàn fẹ́ súnmọ́ ìyàwó ẹ̀ kó rí i pé ara òun wálẹ̀, ara ẹ̀ ti dìde tẹ́lẹ̀ ó wálẹ̀, or during the sex àbí lásìkò ìgbà téèyàn ṣe lọ́wọ́ lórí pé láì tí release ara ti wálẹ̀, tẹ́lẹ̀ mi bá ti gun orí ìyàwó ẹ̀ báyìí ara rẹ̀ ó wálẹ̀ ní straight. Ẹlòmíì ó wà lórí ẹ̀ yóò ti máa ṣe lọ ní ara rẹ̀ ó wálẹ̀. Quick ejaculation during the sex, tí ọkùnrin bá ń fi fura pé immediately tóun dórí ìyàwó òun lòun dà tara òun sì wálẹ̀. Ẹlòmíì ò tiẹ̀ ní tí ìdórí ìyàwó ẹ̀ tí ó ti dà, ibi tí wọ́n bá ti ń ṣeré náà lára rẹ̀ ó ti wálẹ̀ ni ó ti dà tó fẹ́ dà. Another way is a absence of erection, kí nǹkan ọmọkùnrin ó tiẹ̀ má dìde rárá nínú àwọn ètò burú jù nìyẹn. And finally having no interest in sexual intercourse, kéèyàn má ní interest láti súnmọ́ obìnrin rárá. Gbogbo tá a sọ yìí náà lè ṣẹlẹ̀ sóbìnrin nídàkejì, ṣùgbọ́n tọkùnrin la fẹ́ sọ lẹ́nu inshallah. So what are the causes of this? It can be caused by stress, it can also be caused by sickness. Ó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ látara rírẹra, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wàhálà. Ó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ látara àwọn àìsàn kan tí ń bẹ́nu ara. It can be caused by what we consume. Ó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ látara nǹkan tá à ń jẹ àbí nǹkan tí a mu. It can be caused by what we drink, alcohol or smoking or related things. Àwọn nǹkan olóró, mímu, fífà, wọ́n lè dá gbogbo nǹkan ìsìnyàn lára. It can also be caused by some strong drugs or injections. Àwọn abẹ́rẹ́ tó lágbára àbáwọn nǹkan oògùn lílò míì tó lágbára náà lè máa pa àwọn nǹkan yìí mọ́yàn lára. Likewise, it can be caused by masturbation in any way. Some people will be busy watching bad movies, thinking through it they can ejaculate. This kind of action can easily destroy many things in your system. Kéèyàn máa wò kú àbí máa fi ọ̀nà kan tẹ́ra ẹ̀ lọ́rùn láti lè jẹ́ kí sperm jáde lára èèyàn, láti lè release ní àwọn nǹkan tó ń padà máa ń fa létà rọ̀ tó máa ń padà ń fa èyí tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹni. It can also be spiritual. Ó lè jẹ́ àṣàṣì bóyá látọ̀dọ̀ èèyàn àbí látọ̀dọ̀ àlìjànú. Tálìjànú bá ń fẹ́yàn, ó máa ń jẹ́ sábàbí kí ó má jẹ́ kí irú ẹni yẹn ní àǹfààní àti níbáṣepọ̀ pẹ̀lú èèyàn ẹgbẹ́ tàbí kó má ní ìtumọ̀ kó má gbádùn ẹ̀. What are the remedies? The first one is to get habatu sauda, that's the seed. Habatu sauda black seed, it's the seed itself. Take a spoon of it, grind it with a spoon of luban dakar, especially the fresh one of the luban dakar. Grind the two together. Then add 1 spoon of zaytun. Then add 2 spoons of honey. Take it after meal in the morning. After your breakfast, you take it. Once a day is okay. Number 2, take 1 spoon of habatu sauda powder. Now it's powder. Mix it with 7 eggs, especially if you can get local egg. 7 of it. You mix that habatu sauda powder, 1 spoon of it, mix it with the egg. Add enough onion, then fry with zaytun and take it a day. So then you repeat it a day after. That should be 1 day on, 1 day off for like a month. Number 3, get hulba seed. Hulba seed, that's fenugreek seed. Pour it inside a cup with ordinary water. Keep it for like 3 hours or more than that. Then cook it for just some minutes, 2-3 minutes. Just cook it. Then filter it. Take half of a cup with honey. Twice a day is okay. Number 4, get onion juice as much as you want. Then add it to pure honey. Put it on fire. Turn it until that onion juice is no more there. Then keep it and add it to enough of water. For example, if you do it with like 1 liter of honey, you can add it to like 4 liters of water. Leave it for like 2 days. Let the thing mix together with the water very well. Then you take half a cup a day. Number 5, chew garlic morning, like 2, morning and night. Not the bunch, just like 2 out of the bunch. Take it in the morning and at night. You can chew it. That's the best way. If you cannot chew it, slice it like into pieces, then swallow it with water. Or another way for that is for you to get its juice. That's, you grind the garlic, take out the juice, filter it, add it with honey. You can also add ginger juice. Add the 3 together. Take 2 spoons morning and night. Number 6, get camel milk. Mix it with honey. Take it morning, afternoon and night, or morning and night. 3 spoons. Number 7, get local egg. Add it with like 4 spoons of honey, pure honey. Take it once a day for a month. Inshallah ta'ala, you are going to see the miracle of all these things we've mentioned. Mind you, it is not that advisable for you to take all these things because you are looking for a good result. No, take it one. So if you don't see the good result you want, choose another one, because they are not working in the same way for everybody. So our systems are not the same. What works for Mr. A may not work for Mr. B. But if it is spiritual, you'll be having some other symptoms, either by having it in dream perfectly, or having the feelings in other way. You can be having that feelings with other people, or you'll be having that sex regularly in the dream. Just of recent, somebody just called me, told me about her husband, that he couldn't have sex with her. Why he's able to have it with another wife? Because the man has 2 wives. So alhamdulillah, we just did the ruqyah for the woman and everything within just a day, without taking any medicine. So the man got himself back. So in short, solution to that is through ruqyah. Perfect ruqyah should be the best option. In the absence of that, my dear brother, just take sidiru, any type of sidiru you can see, powder, water, leaf, whatever, anyone. Just put it inside drinkable water. Recite Fatiha, Kursi, Kul Ya Ayyuhal Kafirun, Kul Huwallahu Falaq Nas 7 times. The man should just take from the water and bath with the remaining one. Likewise the woman too, because you don't know where particularly the problem is coming from. Is it with the man or with the woman? So inshallah, we are going to share more light on this through live program, live video, inshallah, very soon. So that is how Islam is so wonderful. In fact, the case I just told you about right now, we did it without even the sidiru, because they didn't see sidiru where they are. They later used only water, alhamdulillah, with the good iman. قل هو للذين آمنوا هدى وشفاء. With that good and strong iman, it works for them, alhamdulillah, and inshallah it's going to work for you also. Assalamu alaikum.
La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah.